Hey YouTube, back to another video. And today we're gonna make ranks that only ranks can join your game. No, if the player is not in your group, they can't join their game. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. It's gonna be scripting tutorial. And yes, so we're gonna insert server script into server script service. You can name it ranks only script or something like that. We're gonna do. Let me just show you what method we're gonna do before we start. Let me just switch panels, scenes here. Okay. So you see here, where I'm at the Roblox developer page, engine group. That's a method, a function, if you will, a player. And if the player is in the group, then it will. This will look onto the Roblox website if the player is in the group, and then this is what the code should look like. So this is what we're gonna have. Copy. We'll wipe this from scratch. I'm gonna copy this, and I'll paste it here, and I'll just delete this. We're just gonna need a player added event, and just call it new player, or you can call it player. It does not matter at all, guys. Let's make we're gonna make a variable above the player added event called local group ID equals, and then we're gonna go to the Roblox website real quick. Okay. Give me 1 second. Oops, hold on. Sorry, I forgot to change tabs. So yes, so go back to the script and make this game player. You can change the player argument to whatever you want. I'm just gonna wait with a new player, and I made a variable called group ID, and I'm gonna go to Roblox, change the group ID real fast. So go to Roblox, go to a group you want to get. And there should be just a numbers up top of the page. It can be any group you want, and if there's a game, and I have a group that I own, so I'm just gonna copy the group, copy the code. I'm gonna paste it in the numbers in the variable, and we can start. So just basically go to Roblox. If you're in a group, then go to the URL. There should be a unique set of numbers at the end of it. And if you don't, refresh the page, and if you don't see it, refresh the page and copy just the numbers, and that's the ID. Paste it in the variable. And I'll leave the script in the comment section so you guys can copy this in the description of the video. So, okay, now we're gonna do if new player is in group, do group ID, because this function requires inside the parentheses you need to have the ID number ID in it. So if the player is in the group, joined it, then the player can be in the game. Then we're just gonna print player is allowed to play. Else we can do new player kick, and do a message saying you have been kicked. Join the group to play. I'm gonna leave a comma, and that's basically all there is to it. And it's gonna let me do it because I'm in the group, but it should work. But if I played it with a non-working account, an account that has not been in the group, then it should not work. And we will know if it works because if we check the output, it prints out player is allowed to play, and that is proof because I am in the group that I am in on the Roblox website, and I got the ID and I pasted it in the script. And if I wasn't in it, then it would kick me, and it would leave a message as well. And kick is a function of player, so yeah, that's all there is to it. It's simple. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. How to make a ranks only script in your game. If you want a bonus for this video, tell me. Maybe I'll make a ranked leaderboard for your game, and we can have fun with that. If you want that, then let me know in the comment section below. Leave a like, sub if you're new, and I'll see you in my next video.